Hello friends, welcome to our channel Nutshell School. Today we are going to talk about how to make money by selling t-shirt designs online. A t-shirt design is that stands out in color, text, slogan, etc. is the one that people want to buy. The design should be an outstanding idea. It requires a careful selection of a lot of elements such as colors and text. After you designed a brilliant t-shirt, you should also acquire some marketing skills to sell it. Knowing some key selling tactics is even more critical if you are a freelance designer. There is enormous potential for the growth of your small t-shirt selling brand, provided you market it well. So both the designing and marketing aspects should be handled properly. If you do that, your chances of the steady growth of your brand are higher. Some people who took up t-shirt designing as a hobby and made millions of dollars. You can also sell your creative t-shirt design and sell them successfully. Here is what you need to do to sell your t-shirt designs online. Number 1. Have a unique t-shirt design idea. The first step to take for selling t-shirt design is to have a great design idea. Without a unique idea, it will be increasingly difficult to convince clients or customers to buy the shirts. After all, they are buying the design and not the t-shirt. Number 2. Brainstorming. The best way to get a t-shirt design idea is to brainstorm. Sit down with your team to find out which idea will sell. You have many options. You can create clever puns, cute designs, or have laugh out loud jokes that everybody loves. People like to wear such t-shirts. Another option is to just explore the idea regarding movies and popular TV serials without infringing their copyrights. You can also exploit some cultural side of people. Make sure that you have a great design idea when you sell your art design to the target audience. Number 3. Learn to design. In case you are not a designer and still want to sell t-shirt design and make money online, you should acquire some working knowledge of designs. Learn about typography and colors and how to make a good choice. Learn also how to use Adobe Photoshop. This software will help you create graphics easily. You can also have a good experience of using clip arts and word shapes. It will be useful in enhancing your image on the t-shirt. Also, use new apps like WordSwag and Over to have some mastery over designs. Get some design tip as well from online experts. Number 4. Major site for printing your t-shirts. Now that you have a great t-shirt design idea, the next step is to get it printed from a reliable t-shirt printing site. You will be selling printed t-shirts that have your designs. At this stage, note two things. Either you should learn to silk screen shirts or you will order someone to do the printing. If you order printing of shirts and get them delivered to your home, you will have to store them in more significant number and sell to whoever placed the order. This is a time-consuming exercise and an expensive way to do the business. Number 5. Set up your shop. After you have signed up with your choice of shirt printing and selling sites, you need to set up your shop with the site. You will be selling your t-shirt designs online from the store. Many sites allow you to personalize your online storefront. You can then upload your design to the storefront and set up them to sell. Number 6. Build your website. Another option is to explore selling t-shirts online to build your own site. But this option is a bit tedious. You have first to purchase a domain name for your website. It will be your web address of the business. Then you need to design the website in a unique and user-friendly way. You will also create a logo for your independent business. This logo will find the place at the top side of the website to establish its identity among customers. Marketing also means that you need to figure out your target customers. Who is the one that is most likely to buy your t-shirt? You create a design, but which age group and social or educational background your customers come from. Find out your ideal customers and then make a plan to sell your t-shirts to that audience. Do not try to sell to everyone. When designing, you can also outsource your work to Design Hill, a leading marketplace. Launch your design contest to get dozens of new design ideas from as many freelancers. You can get a winning idea for your t-shirt at an affordable price. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thank you.